Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. Once the menu opens, you can use the rotating crown button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the crown button to enter. In the system options, scroll through the menu, select the more settings option and press the crown button. Here, scroll through the menu, select the option called date and time and press the crown button. Right here, scroll down, select the set time option and press the crown button. And now we can change the date and time right here. We can set the year, then press the crown button, set the month, press the crown button, day, crown button, hour, and then crown button, and the minutes, and then crown button. And once you're done, it will say time and date set. It will change, and once you're done, you can press the crown button, or rather not crown button, lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.